one of the hens he jumped on it and was knocking to come in.
Yeah.
Good morning. You may recognise this workshop. I thought, with it being February, let's go down south. It'll be a lot warmer there. We'll go and see Colin.
Welcome to the sun.
Yeah, and as you can see, it's raining. Let's have a look outside. Look at this. Yep, cold and wet. And it's a shame because I've got shorts on. Anyway, why are we here? This time we are going to fit a new hot water cylinder, I think. Is that right?
Yeah, so the issue is that the previous owner, or the previous owner of this house, owned a plumbing company in the UK. So he overhauled all the heating initially, put in central heating, and a solar system and a back boiler on the log burner, and but he did it all in British pipes, all in British sizes, and all to British standard. And obviously, it's over the following years, it's deteriorated, and it just needs overhauling. And
yeah, that's right. So the current hot water cylinder is powered by the gas boiler and the fire, but you want to change that really for electrical hot water cylinder as you would normally find in a French house, because it's cheaper and cleaner and easier to manage, and you don't have to worry about the hot water. And then we can have a look at the heating side of things later on. Okay, Colin's already bought this. It's a 200 litre hot water cylinder from any Brico. We've got some kits of stuff here and an expansion tank. So it's going to be fitted in this area. But as you see, this is the makeup of the wall, and we figure that's probably going to be 220, between 220 230 kilos when full. So this might not be the best, shall we say, backing to connect, or so to fix the cylinder on because of the weight. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy a stand to stand it on the floor and fix it to the wall, just to make sure, because that will get very heavy indeed. Okay, here we go. So the water ballon is going to be just in that corner there. You've just seen that. The pipes and the cables are going to come down here into the box. The cables will obviously stop here in the fuse box. Then this is going to come down here with the hot and the cold. Follow this cable through this wall. Decent sized wall. Come out behind the panel that is here, so it's going to come out there, drop down behind the cabinets, come out in the cupboard of doom. So it's going to come along here. These two, I think, are the hot and cold. So we're going to come up and join onto the hot and cold here. You see that? If you've seen my last video, you know that all this is in English. So this is 40mm solvent well pipe from England. This is French. In here we have the same problem. That's English, and we've also just identified a leak here from this pipe. You can see down there it's pretty wet. we need to look at that as well. So our difficulty here is to go from 15mm English to 16mm French multi-couche. The best way to do that if you're in France and you need an English fitting is to go to a brocante where people have unloaded their old English fittings before or after being here or going back to England. So let's go and have a look, see if we can find one at a local bric-a-brac shop, I guess is the British phrase. So see what we can do about that. Here we go. Here we go. English pipes, fittings, loads of them. So if you want to have a look at a really good video of this, head over to Colin's channel, French Countryside Life, link in the description obviously. But we're going to look around now, see if we can find any copper fittings. I think I've seen them in the corner over there, but we'll have a look. And there's some there. Excellent. Oh, this looks good. I like this. What is it?
There's plenty of them.
14. So this is our bag. Bit of copper 15mm. Bag of copper fittings and brass fittings. Hopefully that'll get us what we need to do. So let's go down, speak to the guy, see how much he wants for all this loot. So all that, let's see, this bag of stuff, various bits, and they're going to help us over the next few days. €10. It's a good price. It's good for him because he's very rarely going to sell that stuff. It's all old stuff. It's good for us because the whole house is plumbed in English, so we can bit by bit change it into French. So now we are going to a very large DIY store to get the rest of the parts. So see you there. Narrowest bridge. Look at this. Wow, that is narrow. We're gonna fit.
Good job you're driving. Easy to drive again. There's a weir over there that's you can hardly see it.
Oh yeah, submerged in it.
It's a lovely place in the summer.
We're here at Limoges. Is it Limoges? Limoges. Let's go inside, see if we can get the rest of our stuff. Right, nearly got it all. So once we've got it all, come back together. Evening of the first day. We're about to head off now. Where are we going?
We're going to see Robbie.
From
Escape to France Charente.
Yep,
Link
great
in description.
Yeah, link in description. Great channel. He needs a hand moving his stove, and we all know how heavy these stoves are. So we said we'd go and see him and give him a hand. So see you shortly. Yeah, there we are. Probably can't see it on this. There it is.
Yeah, it is.
There. Nice. It stands out, doesn't it? Looks lovely. So here I am with Colin from French Countryside Life and Andy from AJ in France. So yeah, between us, you're going to see whether we can get rid of this. I think it's going to be at least 100 kilos worth of yeah, we might need to take some of the stuff off first to make it a bit easy for ourselves. Oh, you.
Just that Everest. Just that Everest.
Oh, man, we done. Oh my god.
No, I'm not taking it.
It's empty. Oh, no, it's not actually. Keep it level.
So we want to put it down. Yeah.
Well, it's
That's cracking. That's done now, that is.
one of the hens jumped on there. Was knocking to come in.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not mine.
No, you're right.
No, I wouldn't. Right, so that's it. It's all ready for it's all ready for the chimney sweep tomorrow, who's coming at midday, and he says that I can record that too. So you're in for an absolute treat. So after 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Laters. Now we've got the first one.
Okay. Professional.
That's it.
Yeah, I mean, you're messing around.